Ohio is getting ready to celebrate its Statehood Day. That's coming up March 2nd in Chillicothe, Ohio's first capital. 5 of the city's museums and historic sites will have open house events that day. Ross County's crown jewel is Adena Mansion and Gardens, home to Ohio's first senator and 6th governor, Thomas Worthington. Now, you'll be able to tour the facility 10:30 a.m. every 30 minutes, with the last tour beginning at 3 p.m. Now, in 1802, not everyone in the territory was excited to become a state. Every hour beginning at 11 a.m., you'll be able to step back into 1802. The actors of Adena Mansion and Gardens take you to the heated statehood debates. Also open will be the birthplace of Lucy Webb Hayes, Lemonade Lucy, Ohio's First Lady, and wife to Rutherford B. Hayes. The home will be open 10 till 4 and includes a first-person portrayal of Hayes. The Ross County Heritage Center features a special one-day exhibit of the original Ohio statehood documents, including Worthington's personal draft of the 1802 Ohio Enabling Act displayed on Ohio's Constitution table. They'll also have a new exhibit dedicated to Ross County authors and artists, as well as a special one-day exhibit of arms and armaments used from Revolutionary War time through the Civil War. The David Dickens Heritage Center on West 4th Street will be open 1 to 4 p.m. with exhibits on African American heritage and culture, including Freedom's Journey, the Underground Railroad, African American women in the 19th century, and the Black Church in America. Also open will be the Ross County Genealogical Society on Douglas Avenue from 9 a.m. till 4 p.m. You can learn how to find out more about your family history and the resources for researching your family tree. The day begins at the Trinity United Methodist Church at Mulberry and Main Streets for the 53rd Annual Statehood Day Prayer Breakfast. Tickets are just $10, available from any Kiwanis Club member, or you can stop by the Ross-Chillicothe Convention and Visitors Bureau on North Plaza Boulevard. There is no other Statehood Day experience like what you'll find in Chillicothe, March 2nd, 2019.